Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you're going to be playing Unicorn Obby Parkour Obby. Why do you have to add so many words? That's the first thing I want to say. Okay, so you start like this. Oh, a different girl just joined me. So it's like a little obby, and then you finally actually get into it. Getting into it. Why is there stuff around me? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a unicorn, I guess. Oh, they Yep, I would realize that. Okay, I like that it has an arrow so you actually know which way to go. Like, arrow there. So now I know to go this way. And I'm sorry, boys, it's a unicorn. But some boys do like unicorns. And this is the only actual obby that I liked, and I found it. So, this is what I'm doing today. But if I didn't already say this, welcome home. Wait, how am I keeping dying on this? So guys, I actually play Bloxburg too. In the next video, I might show my face. Well, I already showed my face, I'm pretty sure. No, I didn't actually. So you guys have no clue what I look like in real life. You only know what my picture looks like. Yeah, see, she's dying too. I'm not the only one, so don't be making fun of me when somebody else is dying. See, she's just walking onto it, though. Maybe there's a lag with her screen. But I made it, woohoo! I'm sorry, girls. Unless if they're boys, but still. Unless if you want me to call you people, you know. Oh, woohoo! On like every level, there's a different person. Seriously? Oh, this is like, you know how, this is kind of like the things where people do like parkour. They're like boom, boom, but they go really fast. Woo, woo, woohoo! I finished for any of you. Hey, my jump button is not working. That is not my fault. Don't you dare blame it on me. Okay. Made it past the levels. Because before we get started, I want you guys to, they're leading the way. Subscribe. No, I said that wrong. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you guys can get notified every time I post a brand new video. In 5 seconds. Ready? No, actually, as soon as I finish. Don't start it yet. As soon as I finish this, though. Ready? Go. Wait. I'm going to count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you guys did it in that time, make sure you guys comment Gaming with Marissa Squad. Because that is my channel's name. No! How did I do that? That was not my fault. Let's continue. Where am I supposed to? Oh, this way. So this unicorn obby is turning out to be pretty thinking good. I'm proud of how far I came in this obby. No, actually, I'm literally, the sun's up there, so I can't even see how long the obby is. What if it's never ending? See the sun. Go away, sun. It should be night and day. But at least, you know, there's not a second level sun. That means it's not never ending. Well, I actually completed an obby. Developers, I'm so sorry. I'm talking way too much. I get it if you guys want to leave the channel or unsubscribe or not subscribe. But if I say like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, you guys don't have to do it. I only say it because I'm not an official YouTuber yet, and every YouTuber says it, so that's why I'm saying it. But you know, I shouldn't do what other YouTubers do. I should do what I feel like and what I want to. Woo, slide! So thank you guys for being here, the people who actually subscribed to me. It's okay if you watch my videos without subscribing. I really appreciate all of the love and all the kindness I get from all of you. So, thank you. And maybe in the next video, you'll actually be able to see what I look like. But that's if I want you to. Which might not happen ever. Wait, do those, like, throw you off? I don't know. Oh my god, how did I just die? You're supposed to jump in the screen. That's what I would do. But I do. That's what I do. No. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. How are you supposed to do this, though? No! No, 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 no. This is unfair. She's probably done. No, is she? No, she's... How? How? Literally, how? I want you to say, how? A million times. How did she do that? I literally can't get past that. But you should always have optimistic. You should always look on the bright side. Like, at least I'm filming for you guys. Like, you should be happy that I am. But no, you're not. Because probably a million people out there just, like, see this video, but they don't even, like, look up. They're like, wow, I don't even like this, like, but you don't even know what I do. Well, gaming with Marcel, like, what happen if I am gaming, like, a board game? Like, how do you know what game I'm talking about? But let's see. So that guy, oh no, now there's a girl, and she literally fell on the first same exact way I did. Woo woo, I made it and I made it out. Girl, I'm gonna wait for you. Will you wait for me? Set, go! No! Literally, this is so frustrating. As long as somebody died with me, I'm fine. But if somebody doesn't die with me, I'm not fine. Because this is so hard for me! No, you're hard. And guys, don't be listening to the background noise. I'm so sorry. And I don't know how to edit it. So I don't know how to edit it out. Sorry. I feel like the worst. But you know how it always goes. I waited for her, and she doesn't even have the decency to wait for me. Wait, is she? I shouldn't have said that. Yay, she's waiting. Thank you so much. Girl, I'm about to make it. No! No, 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 no. Are you waiting for him or me? I'm going to give you a shout out if you're waiting for me. But if you're not waiting for me, I'm going to be so sad. Wait, is she going on? No, she's not. She's waiting for the boy, I think. But still, for waiting for your brother or friend, I still appreciate you. Yeah, she's not waiting for me. I'll wait with you. I'll type to you too. Oh, wait, did she just leave me? Hi. Wow, it's even hard for her to get back, but bye. I said hi, but now I'm saying bye. Oh, sorry, but wait, somebody sent me a friend request. If you guys send me a friend request, I will by far accept it, and I will go back for you, little one. I'm not gonna leave you like that. Wait, it's not her. Are you serious? I went back for no reason and with some weirdo who I shouldn't even have went back for. She wasn't even waiting for me. She was probably waiting for her brother. I think there's a sheet to this game. No, there's not. I guess there is no shading. You block it off. Make sure I cannot use it. But guys, you should never cheat. Even if you can't get something. Me, that's why I never skip a stage, because that's just cheating. You should always challenge yourself. And when I mean challenge yourself, I mean go really hard. But guys, I'm very sorry. I've been very, very talky. I'll give you guys a second of non-talk. But I said a second. That's what I mean, a second. Okay, second's over. Just kidding. Do you guys actually think I was gonna do that? Course not. No! No! Literally, this is unbelievable. Why is there such a big ladder? Wait, you have to collect this and climb all the way back up it. Really? That's dumb of you. That's super dumb. Maybe you could have made it like a challenge across it. Not that dominant. OMG. I clicked that letter for no reason because it doesn't even matter. That's dumb. Please reset after item purchased. Does that mean that? Please reset after item purchased, which means you would get rid of it and blah, blah, blah. That's, you should not be able to do that. But guys, if you guys send me a friend request in Roblox, I will gladly accept it. I accept everybody's friend request, and even if it's like somebody I don't even know, I accept it. Because I don't know you fans, so that means I wouldn't accept it. I do. So you guys should be happy. When I say happy, I mean happy. You should be happy. I say happy in weird. I say everything in weird way. Bruh. Okay, guys, I'll give you like the rest of the video quiet, okay? 3, 2. Little lady, I'm sorry that you didn't make it past, but voila. First try. I'm sorry, little lady. Sorry, guys, it wasn't this. I'm helping you right now. I'm gonna pause the video and put my charger in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I told you I would be back, so that's where I am. Don't worry about everything that's popping up on my screen. Look at my pointer, it's right here. Everything that pops up here, it always goes in here, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to empty. Oh my goodness. Clear all notifications, please. I don't want to be looking at all that. Sorry, guys, I showed you how to do it. I shouldn't have, but there's no reason why I'd keep a secret from you amazing fans. I don't know how to make a title on a video, so that's why you see like record 5 and things like that. Because the first video I had no clue, but I still don't have any clue. I'm sorry, guys. I'll stop talking for 3 minutes. Actually, I will continue talking, and I'll even talk louder so everybody can hear me in the entire world, because everybody needs to hear this wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous. That was just out of my mouth. I don't know why I said that. Gorgeous. What am I supposed to be doing? Wait. This always helps. Voila. Invisible. And then as soon as you do it once, you can see it magically. Boom, boom, boom. I don't like going up ahead. Sorry, guys, for all the background noises. It must really frustrate you guys, but I don't know how to edit it out of the video. If I said that multiple times. So sorry. 2 more minutes, and then I promise I'll stop the video. Boom! Oh my god, that was so close, guys. But I'll stop talking for the rest of the video. Maybe. You should never trust me. Just kidding, you should always trust me. But yeah, I can't stop talking because then you'll hear what they're saying even better, and I don't want you to. Okay, somebody's on level 50. I'm over here on 32. I'm really glad, actually, that you can see what level people are on, so I know that there's more than 50 stages, or maybe 50, because I don't see that number going up, so there might be only 50 stages. That means I'm not even halfway there. I have 20 more stages left to go, and I don't want to do that many, and I won't fit it in 2 minutes. Whoa! I almost died there. No. I've been working on this for such a long time. Let's see if this boy of wonders can do it. Who thinks he might be cool in a way. But I don't know what people think. So let's see. The person who friend requested me is not even in here anymore. Then why did you friend request me? Like, seriously. Like, seriously. No, I'm being absolutely serious.